Welcome back to Add Art, or should I say G'day, because today we're going to be learning how to draw a kangaroo. But before we get started on that, I just want to say a big thank you to my friend Martin Hay for doing the music that you can hear playing underneath. He's brilliant on guitar and he was very kind to do me some music for Add Art, so I hope you like it. So let's start the drawing. Put an eye in. Looking down, and that'll become clear as to why they're looking down towards the end of this drawing. And then this top of the head, curving round to a nose. Like that, they have quite a long nose. Top of the cheek, bottom of the cheek. Put the mouth in, smiley face, up into her nose. Colour that in there. In there, and they have quite large ears. Like that one here. 2 ears, kind of pointing backwards, making them look quite speedy. Back of the head down to the neck, and the back kind of curves round and down. And this one is going to be sat down. As well as the ears, they have a long tail as well, so we can have that just curving up, but it's almost as though it's resting on the ground, so it's kind of lying flat. And as you know, kangaroos live in Australia and they're really famous for jumping. And the reason they can jump so far and so fast is because of these powerful hind legs that they've got. Had a bit of a read about them, and they can travel up to, and this was the surprising bit, 43 miles an hour. Imagine being able to hop at that sort of speed. It's incredible, isn't it? You'd certainly get to school really quickly if you were hopping that fast. But much faster than a scooter. Okay, finish off the top of the head, that comes down. These little hands coming up here. And we'll put the other one just behind. Now, when I told my son and daughter that I was going to draw a kangaroo today, they said, "Oh, can you put a baby kangaroo in their pouch?" And kangaroos are quite special because they've got this pouched area in their bellies where they keep their babies. And the baby kangaroo, here he is, and they're called Joeys. I'll have him looking up there at his mum. Join that up. So they get carried along as the kangaroos bouncing across Australia in this almost like pocket in the front of the kangaroo. So let's draw some background in, why don't we have it near the coast? You get some beautiful beaches in Australia, so we can put some bushes here. This is quite kind of dry bush, yeah, like this. Like that, just gives a sense of the bush. We don't need to put all the leaves in, but just by doing the odd one or two really gives the impression of it being a bit more kind of bush-like. There we go. And what else can we have in here? Maybe a tree as well. We get these kind of spindly trees in Australia. Branches, I kind of always have them reaching for the sky because it's kind of how plants and trees grow. They're always looking for sunlight and stretching for it. Again, we're just going to put some leaves on the end of that like that. So it's less kind of bushy than some trees. We're just putting a few leaves. A few more. Like that. Okay, and like I said, it could be near the seaside, so let's put the sea in the distance. Maybe it's up on a headland, taking in the view, looking over the beautiful ocean there. And some waves. There we go. Right. I was saying it's incredibly hot there as well, so let's put the sun in, shining away. That looks great, that's coming together. And maybe at the front here, you tend to get these kind of dry areas, quite sandy, almost orange roads. So let's put some dots in, make it look a bit gritty. A few more waves. And I think we're done for the day. So there is your kangaroo and Joey. So I hope you've enjoyed drawing that with me today. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on the other videos that I'm going to post. Have a look at the other ones I've done as well if you haven't done those ones. There's quite a few now. So yeah, I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.